Stop scrolling. Here are the top 4 cutest animals that actually live in Japan. Number 4, Shiba Inu, a dog that looks happy even on Monday mornings. Teach me your ways, bro. Number 3, Japanese squirrel. Tiny, fluffy, and literally looks like it pays taxes with acorns. Like and subscribe if this cat is cute, and drop a heart emoji if you want to rescue this poor dog. Number 2, snow monkey. These dudes chill in hot springs like they're recovering from a breakup. And number 1, red-crowned crane. Elegant birds that literally dance like they're auditioning for a romance movie.